It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We've also got our programmable memory seat, as well as our child lock button, our power liftgate dial, and the premium Bose sound system. Down below, we've got our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Up above, we have the power sunroof. Next, I'll hop right in the Terrain. We've got our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side, we've got our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, as well as our heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got our audio buttons. Here we've got our digital dashboard. We can scroll through that dash by pushing the buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got our power sunroof buttons, as well as the programmable garage door opener and our OnStar button. Down below, we've got GMC's infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've also got navigation in the Terrain. And the screen doubles as our backup camera. Here we've got our push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning. Here we have our park reverse drive buttons, as well as an SD card and a USB and power plug-in. Over here we've got our heated front leather seats, as well as hill descent control and lane departure, our 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive dial, as well as the off-road button. Inside the center console, we have 2 USB plug-ins, a light, and it's quite deep and spacious. At the front of the Terrain, we've got fog lights, 19-inch wheels, a 2-liter turbo engine. Our side mirrors have our side blind zone alert. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, you simply push those silver buttons and it will either lock or unlock the doors for you. At the very back, we've got our power lift gate, so we can pop that open with the push of a button. Right in the trunk, we've got 2 levers to fold those rear seats down. We've also got power plug-ins and cargo hooks, and we've got additional storage located underneath. Next, we'll take a look in the back of this 5-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of those front seats, we've got a couple of seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got 2 USB plug-ins, as well as a 120-volt power plug-in. Our center seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And if you have longer, larger items you'd like to stow away in the back, we can simply pull the lever on those rear seats and they fold right down. So come take a look at this 2020 GMC Terrain SLT today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.